How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on British pound versus US dollar, GU. As we said, we were more likely expecting price to run up and take out this swing high where there's going to be buy side liquidity residing. So we got that IPTA look back 20-day high rated after taking out what? Sell side liquidity, moving below May's opening price, right? The monthly opening price, pulling it down cheap and then running higher. So earlier into the month, we were speculating it was going to be bearish because of seasonal tendencies. But we could see seasonal tendencies always are not 100% correct. We could see it was definitely opposite to what we were expecting. Seasonal tendencies said that pound dollar should be weak for May and dollar should be bullish. The inverse happened. So it's not following seasonal tendencies, and this is most likely going to trend higher, even potentially into next month. DXY may continue trending lower into June as well. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now, we left a large range cycle. So you got a couple large days last week. So Thursday was very large. You can see going into Friday, well, Wednesday, sorry. Wednesday was large. Thursday was small. Friday was small. So we're still in a small range cycle. I wouldn't be surprised if we get any retracement back inside this this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and then price trading higher. So be aware of that. We will get some larger candles sooner or later. So buying after down days is ideal, or waiting for the next higher swing low to buy. So you could pick your poison. I'm not saying both of them are going to be correct in every single case scenario, but you'll see where one can be definitely utilized over the other and vice versa. Let's take a look at the DXY. So GU is still bullish in my book for now. DXY did exactly what we wanted GU to do. It went up into the SIBI right here, the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It might be making the lower swing high inside that PD array and probably going to look to target this swing low and then target this sell side liquidity, the IPTA 20-day low is what we're looking to see DXY target. So dollar strength completely faded from beginning of the month. And now there you go. Look at all your swing points that it's creating. Lower swing lows, lower swing highs. That's your bearish trend formula over and over and over again. We never got back up to these equal highs. Maybe later in the future, maybe back in the fall, October, we may get back up here. But as of right now, dollar's really weak. And we can see gold is still making what? All-time highs. Gold, S&P 500 stocks, they're still kicking. They are still kicking. So gold, you can see, is probably going to make a new all-time high sooner or later, either sometime this week or next week. But you'll see, and we spoke about this many times, gold has been outperforming a lot of assets around the world. Heavy metals, precious metals have been outperforming fiat currency long run. It's a no-brainer. We all know that. Fiat currencies long term will fail. If you can print your money, odds are it's going to depreciate and not be worth as much as it used to be. You're diluting what it's worth if you keep printing it. We can't print gold or pull gold off of trees, so that's why it always retains its value. To resum it, GU want to see it go up. So recap, price is most likely going to probably trade into some type of PD array and then trade high. If not, it's going to create a higher swing low, or it's going to trade away from down days. Now, if you get a down Monday, I think it's ideal going into Tuesday to buy. If you get a down Tuesday, I think it's ideal going into Wednesday to buy. If you get a down Wednesday, right, the candle closing down for the day, I think it's ideal to go into Thursday buying as well, and so on and so forth. If you get a higher swing low, you get that third bar violated, I would look to go long. And to define what a swing low is again, just look at this. 1, 2, 3. That's that third candle's high. If that candle's high is rated, you could look to go high, right? And look to see if market is going to continue to push higher. And we'll most likely hit back into the 60-day old high right here. Price might tag right into that and try to get to this swing high here, this swing high here, and this one here. Even though it's not the IPTA highs, right, the highest high in each one of these quadrants, does not mean this level is not significant. I think a lot of people overlook very objective levels. This is objective. It's not supply and demand. We know that there's most likely buy stop orders above this swing high. Hopefully you found this insightful. Before I go, I do want you guys to know I will be full swing into grow season in the next 2 weeks or so, trying to make some revenue off of the land. So daily updates might come to a slow. I will mainly only prioritize my time on Asian session models. So the Asian session model that I have on the channel, you guys know the model. That's the only thing I'm going to be sticking to during the grow season because I'm going to be busy, I'm going to be tired. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for all, the questions. Thank you all for pushing the community forward and getting this information out there. Peace.